Hey everyone, Chef Matt Wooster here, coming to you live from Seneca Lake. And what we're going to be doing today is preparing a summertime grilled watermelon salad. So we want to go with a nice thick cut on this watermelon, guys. And that's what we're looking for right there. I'm going to add a little pan spray to my grill, right to the griddle. And that's going to help things from not sticking. If you have a rag, you can also put in a little bit of oil and you can put that on there, spread it across, and what that's going to do is just make sure everything is not going to stick. Watermelon right on that hot grill, and that's what you want to hear. You want to hear that sizzle. Press it down a little bit, and now we're just going to wait and let it do its thing. Let that watermelon get a nice char on it. So here is our watermelon that we have beautifully grilled. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to remove the rind, because all we want is that beautiful flesh. And that's what we're going to use for our watermelon salad. What we're going to do is do some nice cubes. I'm going to come across. And this is the watermelon that we will be using. So the ingredients that we're going to be using today, guys, is fresh basil, some really great mint. We have local blueberries from Reed's Farm. We have feta cheese, some candied pecans, our grilled watermelon. And today at our farmer's market, they had some great spinach, so that's what we're going to be using. Okay, guys, to assemble this salad, we have our spinach. We have our beautiful grilled watermelon. We have candied pecans. Don't be shy, these are delicious. Our feta cheese. And then our fresh blueberries. Okay guys, so I have my herbs here. I have my basil and my mint. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a chiffonade, which is a fancy term for ribbons. So what I did was I curled all that up, and now I'm just going to come across and make some nice slices, which, as you can see, kind of resemble ribbons. So there's my basil. I'll do the same with my mint. Roll it up, come across, beautiful ribbons, and right into my salad. So we have our citrus cider vinaigrette. We're just going to pour enough in there to kiss it, not too much, and then we're going to toss. Incorporating all those ingredients together, just like that. Here we go, plating the salad. As you can see, those beautiful colors really come through. If you want to add a couple more pieces of watermelon on top, maybe a couple more blueberries, why not a couple more pecans? And there you have it, our final product, the grilled summertime watermelon salad. Enjoy.